Hello guys, I welcome you back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to teach you exactly what you can do to earn money from your OK or opay. Okay, from your opay. If you don't have opay, just log into your opay now, or you can just send at least 10,000 naira transfer. Okay, just receive any amount that is from 10,000 upward. Okay, so you'll be qualified to spin. Okay, as you can see it here now, I just received 12,000 naira now, so that's why I qualify. And then don't forget that this eligibility valid until December 31st, so you can still, anybody can, when anybody send you money, you can spin. So whatever amount you win, it will be credited to your account. Okay, so that is exactly what is going on now. So as you can see now, I'm going to spin now. If I spin it now, okay, receive payment and spin. Okay, now receive 10k from opay users or 30k from non-opay user, win up to 1,000. Can you see now? That is receive payment. Okay, now my own now is that when I spin, I won 40 naira, but you can see the spin now, that is 1,000 naira, 30 naira, 1,000, 100 naira, 90 naira, 70 naira, just by luck. Okay, but immediately you receive up to 10,000 upward, you'll be eligible to spin. So you can see the amount I cashed now, that is 40 naira. So by what? Depositing money in your account. So guys, that is latest information. If you find this tutorial helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and you stay tuned for my next update. Peace. So you can also come down to this area and make sure you come to your reward every time, every day. You can see now, so you come to reward and you can see now, go glow airtime. You can see the reward cashback. So, and I have 5 voucher. So all this one now is reward. So if you want to use it for your voucher, you can just use this one now. Claim use this now. So whenever you recharge, so the 99 naira will deducted from it. So if I recharge 100 naira now, you can see now, so it means that I'm going to pay 1 naira. So it means I'm going to pay 1 naira for that. So that is it. So you can see now, let me just recharge this. As you can see, do you see now, it's just 1 naira. So all these are the benefits by using this app. Okay, by the time you use this app, so let me just pay the money to recharge my account. Okay, so successful. You can see now, that's 100 naira, 100 naira recharge card, and I use 1 naira because of the what I've been given. So that is it, guys. So all this is an opportunity in this December that you can just use it to top up. Okay guys, so if you find this tutorial helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and you stay tuned for my next updates. Peace.